wala na control.
Wala. Ito lang.
Jumble between Kamlong
Okay.
and Taguro.
Alright.
Start. First possession, white ball. Marvin pass to Ryan. Ryan side step. Marvin for two. Here comes Petty. Petty dribble the ball looking for teammate. Conan for 2 points. Ryan dribbling the ball looking for a teammate.
Kailangan natin ng
Pass to Jazz.
check na yung mga
Pass to Ryan again.
combination.
Pass to Marvin. 10-second shot clock. Just for 3. No good. Rebound by Conan. Pass to Adrian. Adrian dribble the ball. Take a shoot shot. Sorry, tuloy lang.
No, they're the last.
Ryan. Leave it. Pass to Jazz. Jazz again. 2 points. Plus foul. Foul number
And then
3.
the guy price line
Number 8.
range for him for dollars.
Bonus shot.
You don't see that for number. Right, next game. Friday.
Ingating.
Here goes the bonus shot.
Jake.
No good. Rebound by Taguro again. Taguro, 2 points. Here comes Petty. Petty dribbling the ball looking for a teammate.
Kevin.
Pass to Conan. Conan.
I need to go.
Drain tries to. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Ryan looking for teammate. Trying. Pass to Jazz. Marvin for 3. Good. AC go back.
Iba yung short.
Upward.
Plus 5.
12-second shot clock. Out of bounds. Black hole.
Hindi atin yung court. Hindi yung court.
White ball. Sorry, white ball.
Doon tayo nanalo eh. Dito lang ako nakakashoot.
Kasi nakakita niya na bano
Here
tayo
comes the white.
next week.
Ryan looking for teammate.
Next week.
Dito lang ako nakakashoot.
Ryan dribble the
Doon tayo
ball.
nanalo.
Pass to Marvin again. Marvin. Pass to Ryan. Ryan dribble the ball.
Shot clock ha.
7 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds.
Up.
And this is what everyone's getting involved, but he just at some point he just
Comes the block.
mix it up.
Jurain. Pass to Conan. Conan tries 3. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Out of bounds. White ball.
Serius si Jerman.
Ryan pass to Asher. Ryan dribble the ball. Pass to Jazz. Nice pass. Asher. No good. Rebound by Taguro. No good again. Kamlon. Pass break. Intercepted by Taguro. Pass to Marvin. Marvin looking for a teammate. Pass to Ryan. Ryan. Penetrate. Pass to Marvin again. Marvin. Tries the 2. No good. Rebound by Taguro again. Foul. Foul. Jurain. First shot. Good for Taguro. Last shot. Good again, yes.
Dalawa.
pressuring his Jazz. Benny cross the half court, looking for teammate, pass to Kamlon, power play, Durin, nice pass to Benny, 2 points. Here comes Jazz, wide. Foul, Benny, 2 shots.
Pwede pa.
Ilan na yung foul?
Si Pwede yan.
First shot for Jazz.
Tol, marunong ka ba nito? Yung shot clock, nahihirapan ko.
First shot is good.
Sige, buti pa yan, hindi nakakalito.
Second shot. No good. First shot. Intercepted by Jazz again. Jazz tried 2 points. No good. Rebound by Kamlon. Intercepted by Taguro. Taguro dribble the ball inside. Tries. Wow, what a layup. Magic layup there. Benny. Last 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Conan trying to shoot inside. No good. Bob Asher throws the ball. No good. Sayang. Knockout. No counted.
Sayang. Nabitin.
Naunahan lang, naunahan.
Tama yung score?
4-14.
Okay, meron
First
tayong
of the first
technical. May technical tayo.
Rep, technical, 1 free throw for white.
And
Incomplete
then,
uniform.
5 points.
5 points, plus 5.
Plus five.
Plus 5.
Plus 5, sorry.
Walang, okay. Plus 5 sa... Aling Nene.
Incomplete uniform, plus 5.
Bigay natin
Here comes team captain Mapili. Pass to Conan. Conan looking for teammate. Now it has Aldrin. Pass to Petty. Petty. No good. Rebound by Kamlon again. Kamlon tries to. A foul. Foul on Aldrin.
Bunot yung shot clock, pre. Nabunot yung shot clock.
Nawawala ata.
Foul si Aldrin Tablan.
Sorry. Sino yung foul, right?
Say 17.
17. Taguro. First try. No good.
Tol, nagdagdag ka na ba ng 5 points?
Ah,
Okay. Kaya ako tuloy.
Kamlon, second shot, no good again. Rebound by Aldrin. Aldrin pass to Christian. Christian pass to Mark. Mark, nice pass to no good. Rebound by Taguro again. Pass. It's a 3 seconds violation.
Mamatay shot clock natin, pre.
Black ball.
Siguro sira ito.
We're getting checked now. Alam na nila yung system na.
Here comes Mark Mapili. Pass to Aldrin. Aldrin tries 2. No good. Rebound by Taguro again. Pass to Christian. Christian running the transition. Pass to Mark. Mark, nice pass. Nice pass again. Traveling. Black ball. Here comes the block.
Kapit eh.
Mark tries 2. No good. Rebound by Kamlon. Kamlon, 2 points. Here comes the commissioner. Commissioner dribble the ball, looking for a teammate. Pass to Aldrin. Nice pass. Pass to rebound by Mapili. Here comes the block. Pass to Conan. Conan tries a layup. Good for 2. Here comes the white team. Christian pass to Chavez. Kick ball. Same ball.
Ano yan, 14 na lang yan.
14 second shot clock. Chavez pass to Christian. Christian pass to Taguro. Tries a 3. No good. Rebound by Kamlon. Kamlon. Lose the ball. Score by Aldrin. Score 21-8 in favor of Aling Nene. Perry looking for a teammate. Pass to Kamlon. Kamlon tries inside. Looking for a teammate. Pass to Conan. 3 seconds. Here comes the commissioner. Commissioner trying to inside. Good for 2.
Paano pumasok yun?
I don't know.
Review natin mamaya.
Mark Camilli tries inside 2 points. Blocked by James. Here comes Aldrin. Aldrin. Pass to Mark. Mark for 2. Airball. Pass to Mark again. Intercepted by Mark. Mark looking for 2. Nice pass to Kamlon. Nice pass to Conan. Conan 2 points. Here comes Javis. Pass to Mark. Mark inside. Pass to Aldrin. Aldrin tries inside. Nice ball movement for Aling Nene. Alright, lose the ball. Turnover. Black ball. Petty across the half-court line. Petty, nice pass to Kamlon. Kamlon, no good. Rebound again by Kamlon. Another try. By Conan, sorry. Good for 2 by Conan, sorry. Di ko kasi nakapawa ito eh.
Uy!
Di ba kumain? Pass to... Yan, Conan, Kamlon.
Ayan, yan pala yung Kamlon.
Yan mo lang pala. Kamlon. "37 seconds. Aldrin tries 3, but wait for teammates. Here comes Aldrin. 25 seconds. 10-second shot clock. Taguro, 3 points. 15 seconds for our second quarter. Comes Taguro. Taguro tries 2. Good for 2.
Back to back!
1 second. That's the end of our first quarter. Score 12.
Friday?
25
Monday.
in favor of Aling Nene.
Is it still spicy?
There's still stretch to that. It's plenty. Napay mo na rin.
12.8. Team foul lang naman to eh.
Ah.
Hingi lang ako.
Next 5.
Sinong susunod? Wala na, no? Hirap pala to.
Next 5. Pasok na.
Kasi 3 points na rin siya.
Akala ko tuko muna. Ayun, bayawak. Oh, ano nangyari dyan? Wala kaming kinalaman dyan, ha?
It's white ball. 2 seconds.
Ang daming offensive rebound.
Almost. Score is 58-43.
Oh, palu.
Alam?
17 pa.
Pero tatlo yung offensive rebound ko, boy.
Naubusan ng angin. Third quarter pa yan.
Kaya pa ba ito? Palubat na. Pangalawang beses na nag-warning nito, lowbat.
Oh,
Black ball.
third quarter pa rin to, guys. Third quarter pa rin to. Mukhang umakayaw na
German.
ligaments.
Nag-warning na 2 beses.
Third pa lang, pre. Third.
Wag na.
Ha?
Madali ang kausap.
Third quarter pa lang to, mga pa.
Toss coin na lang daw.
Papasok na. Pero kailangan na natin bilisan ng konti. May pasok magbukas.
Sabay sabitan na ito.
Black ball. Last half for the third quarter. Mark pass to Aldrin. Aldrin tries a two. No good. Rebound by Christian. Christian pass to Ryan. Ryan tries another three. No good this time. Rebound by Mark. Mark pass to Petty. Petty crossing the half-court line looking for a teammate. Petty backing down. Pass to Kamlon again. Kamlon fake. Pass to Durain. Durain tries a two. No good. Rebound again by Mark, the commissioner. Pass to Aldrin. Aldrin. Napakadali. Score is 60-43. 4 minutes remaining for the third quarter. Durain looking for a teammate. Pass to Mark. Mark tries another three. No good this time. Rebound by Aldrin. Aldrin pass to Ryan. Ryan pass to Christian. Intercepted by Petty. Pass to Mark. Pass to Kamlon. Kamlon. Wala this time. Rebound by Kamlon again. Pass to Aldrin. 2 points. 15-point lead. 15-point lead for the Aring Ganay. Score is 60-45.
Sino? Aldrin.
Mariano.
Rebound. Pass to intercepted by the black team. Mark pass to Aldrin. Aldrin. 2 points. Ayun na naman. Lumalapit na naman.
Tuloy lang. Sorry, coach.
Keep going,
Tuloy lang,
keep
tuloy
going,
lang,
keep
sorry.
going. Sino?
Papapagalitan na tayo.
Sa remote. Sa likod.
Nice pass.
Nakasandal na lang yung
For Aldrin.
Sumandal na lang dun.
Ayun na, ang black team. Mark, pass to Petty. Petty tries another three. No good again. But rebound by Durain. Durain pass to Aldrin, tries another. Almost tries three. Here comes the white team. What? Aldrin pass to Mark. Pumasok din for Commissioner.
Sino nag-assist?
Aldrin.
64-47. Aldrin pass to Mark. Mark pass to Durain. Durain fake. No good. Rebound by Christian. Christian pass to Ryan. Ryan, no good. Rebound by Petty. Sayang. Pass to Kamlon. Kanina pa yan. Kanina pa talaga yan. Isa pa. Nag-hesitate. Pumasok. 66-47. Here comes Aldrin. Aldrin crossover. Pass to Durain. Mark backing down, tries a two. No good. Rebound by Mark. Pass to Ryan. Ryan pass to Aldrin. Thinking for three. Aldrin for three. Pass to Aldrin again. Aldrin tries two. No good. Rebound by Commissioner. Here comes Commissioner. Set now. Pass to Ryan. Ryan. Dribble. Rebound by Petty. Petty tries the left-handed layup. Ang ganda nun. Chef Petty, 2 points. Mark, pass to Aldrin. Ayan na naman. Tatry ulit. Easy na lang muna. 34 seconds. 10-second shot clock. Pass to Ryan. Ryan tries two. No good. Rebound by Kamlon. Kamlon pass to Christian. Fifteen seconds. Taking three. Pass to Christian. Christian pass to Aldrin. Aldrin no good. Rebound by Aldrin again. This time it's good for two. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Ay, hindi ba ito? Maikli.
Start na!
Oh, per quarter na.
Gabi.
Start na! Start!
Oo, gusto nyo yung tinapay. May tinapay tayo dito, walang palaman.
Ah, pizza, tinapay, saging.
Last quarter tayo, last quarter.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Just like sa chocolate.
Konti na lang. Konting tiis na lang. Kamlon. Konti na lang. Patatapos na tayo. Last quarter. Mamaya pa na doon.
Hindi daw sila magbibigay ng pusta, hindi tapos.
Comes the white. Just looking for teammate sidestep. Pass to Asher. Marvin taking 3. Pass to Christian. Nice pass to Ryan. Tries 3. Rebound by Jess again. Just sidestep. No good. Rebound by Aldrin. Aldrin crossing down for line. Rushing. Looking for teammate pass to Penny. Penny reverse. Good for 2. Scores 21-51. Mahaba pa yan. Bawas-bawas lang yan.
Boss PJ, baka gusto mo tulungan tong isa, dito ka na lang.
Christian. Pass to Marvin. Marvin looking for a teammate. Pass to Christian again.
Wala naman yun naman.
Pass to Ryan. 5 seconds. 4 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds.
Sige ako.
Shot clock violation. Good defense. Here comes Mark. Mark pass to Conan. Conan crossover. Nice crossover. Nabitawan. Here comes Marvin. Marvin crossing the upper line. Marvin. And nice stop for 3. Nahiya. Pass to Christian. Rebound by Doreen. Nice pass to Penny. Penny, pick. No, sobrang sa pick.
Malalim.
Ayun na. No good pa rin. Rebound by Asher. Asher pass to Marvin. Ayun na. Titira na ng 3. Galing pa ng Darwin. 3 points. 74-41. 51. Intercepted by Asher. Asher. Pass to Ryan. Ryan pass to Jazz. Reverse. Score 76-51. Pass to Jurain. Jurain tries 2. Pumasok for Jurain. Score 76-53. And it's supposed to Marvin. Pass to Jazz. Jazz thinking 3.
Saba ko sa kabila.
Jazz for 3. Mark. Here comes Mark. Taking 3 points. One blocks him. No good rebound by Asher. Asher. Cross court. Tries another 3 for the white. No good rebound by Christian again. Isa pa. Boss Marvin, isa pa. Ayan na. Short. Rebound by Christian again. Pass to Ryan. Ryan. 2 points. Next up, rep. Penny tries 3. Wala pa din. Rebound by Marvin. Marvin pass to Ryan.
Meron mo na dyan.
Pass to Jazz.
Gusto na magsabi.
Jazz hesitate.
Ayun na, pumasok ko na. Sab.
Score.
Dad!
83-53.
Nagkampo na eh.
Are you one of...
Conan. Look for 2. Time out, rep. Next time out.
Or that...
Tayo.
Uy, ganahan niyo naman.
Time out, White.
Oh, gang. Game na.
Oh, game na. Oh, nakahinga na daw sila.
Okay. Set play ba?
Bantayan nyo na kami, ha? Si Christian, stretcher.
Halfway na yung liga natin. Reminder lang na lahat ng teams pasok tayo sa playoffs. Kaya may pag-asa pa. Lahat ng teams kasali tayo sa playoffs. Oh, liga mo tayo.
Okay, game! Hira, alas 10 na, oh.
Magalitan na tayo. Here comes Aling Nene. Next up, ref.
Stand by, rep.
Pass to Ryan. Ryan tries a three again. No good this time. Rebound by Kamlon. Kamlon looking for teammate. Decided to cross himself. Kamlon.
Dunk.
Coast to coast. Pass to Aldrin. Nice pass. Kamlon again. Kanina pa yun. Best player yan. Ay, lumampas.
Sab.
Next up,
Subdivision.
subdivision. Alright. Here comes Benny. Benny pass to Conan. Conan for Sommer. Conan tries two. Good shot for Conan. Score is 59-83. Here comes Commissioner. Pass to Taguro. Taguro tries a long two. No good. Rebound by Jazz again. Jazz. Good for two.
Gumamit naman kayo ng foul.
85-59. Kamlon.
Tamad na din pumito yung mga...
Kamlon. Pass to Conan. Conan. Hesitate. Good for two. Ganda nun. Here comes Commissioner. Long two. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Ayan. Good for two for Seguro.
Offensive rebound.
Pass to Kamlon. Kamlon, nice fake. Kamlon again.
Wow!
Ninoyo pa. Batang-bata talaga.
Daming highlights, ah.
Gumawa lang ng highlights. Yung Kamlon. Ayun ba, gumawa din ng highlights. Good for two, Seguro. Batang-bata yung galawan ni Kamlon. Next up, rep. Aldrin pass to Kamlon again. Kamlon, nice pass.
Nahiya na tuloy. Ayun na tuloy.
Jurain, 2 points. Long two. We got intercepted by Kamlon. Sabi ko na nga ba, nagpapanggap lang. Nagpapanggap lang na pagod. Kamlon, ay Conan, 2 points. Malayo pa daw. Time out daw ang white. Rebound by Jurain. Crossing the half-court. Pass to... Intercepted by Mark. Mark. Rushing. Uy,
Wow!
kaliwa. Kaso support. Support ang kaliwa. Time out, rep. Score, 87-71. Mahaba pa yan.
Time out. Pandesa. Konti na lang.
Okay!
Game na.
Cutting class.
White.
White ball. Ang galing ng yoyo talaga kanina. Batang-bata yan. Lata ng reno.
Biglang ginanahan maglaro, eh.
Naka-steam pa pagkatapos dun. Same ball. White ball. Pass to Mark. Pumasok.
Connected?
Aldrin tries to lumabas. Rebound by Camlon again. Sumobra. Mark looking for a teammate. Pass to Chavez. Chavez tries a three. No good. Rebound by Durain. Durain crossing the half court. Pass to Penny. Nice pass. Yan na. Ay, naghahanap na. Hinahanap na tayo. Tumatawag na. May tumatawag na.
Sa akin pala.
Umuwi ka na. Pass to Mark. Hinahanap ka rin yan. No good. Rebound by Mark again. Isa pa, isa pa. Ayan na. Papasok na yan. Sabi ko na eh.
3 points.
Nakuha sa tiyaga. Durain, pass to Penny. Nice pass, Penny. Kinaliwa. Score is 92-75 at taas ng score. Parang NBA.
Refresh yours.
Isa pa. Malayo pa. Nice pass. Si Kumlon.
Oy!
Kanina pa yun.
Naka 50 points na yata.
Naka 50 na ata yun eh. Isa pa. Penny. 2 points. Napakataas na score talaga. Pinag-isipan ng 3. Hesitate. Pass to Mark. Pass to Jazz. 2 points. Score is 94-79. 44 seconds na lang. Konting-konti na lang. Nasa finish line na. Tries the 3.
Wala kasi si Gilbert eh. Itong 3 points sana.
Ayun na. 2 points pa. Last shot. Isa pa, 3. Yan na yan. Papasok na yan. Sabi ko rin. Score is 82-94. Yes. That's it. 12 points lead for Aling Nene. Good game. Sayang, kulang lang talaga.
Ingat ka.
Jay, thank you, Jay.
Nice game.